Diba? Minsan may mga word tayo na mas gustong mas makita. So, ngayon, i-highlight natin ito and then, i-press Ctrl B natin para mas mangibabaw yung gusto nating mas mapakita na mabasa. And then, the next one naman is shortcut key of MS Word na naman. So, press Ctrl C, it will copy selected text and you don't need to right-click, diba? Pag magkakopy tayo, hindi na natin kailangang i-right-click, gumamit ng mouse. I-press Ctrl C lang natin para mas mapabilis yung ating gawain. The next one naman is press Ctrl X. It will cut selected text and you don't need to right-click. Yan, i-press Ctrl X lang natin. And then, the next one naman is press Ctrl N. It will open a new and blank document. Yan, mag-open tayo ng blank document. Yan, hindi na natin kailangang mag-click-click, 'di ba? Mas mabilis na gawain. The next one naman is press Ctrl O, it will open options. Yan, open daw ng options. The next is press Ctrl P, it will open the print window. Hindi na natin kailangang i-click yung file tapos i-click yung print, ganyan. Mas mapabilis, press Ctrl P lang natin. And then the next one is press Ctrl F. It will open find box. Yan, sa find box. Yan. Next naman is press Ctrl I. It will italize highlighted selection. Yan, 'di ba? Pag nag-highlight tayo and then gusto natin na mas makita ulit, i-italize natin siya. And the next one is press Ctrl K. It will insert the link. Yan, magi-insert daw yung link. Next is press Ctrl U. It will underline highlighted selection. I-underline niya daw yung na-highlight na text. And the next one is press Ctrl V. It is paste. Yan, magpi-paste tayo, 'di ba? Ctrl C is copy and then Ctrl V is paste from a copy text. Yan. Next naman is press Ctrl Y. Redo last action perform. Sabi diyan. And press Ctrl Z, it will undo last action. Yan, anuhan lang sila. And then the next one is press Ctrl G. It will find and replace options. Yan. Hahanapin niya daw yung replace options. The next one naman is press Ctrl H. It will find and replace options. Parang parehas lang sila. And next one is press Ctrl G. It will justify paragraph alignment. I-justify natin para mas magandang tignan yung ating paragraph. And the next one is press Ctrl L. It will align selected text or line to the left. Yan. Next one is press Ctrl R. It will align selected text or line to the right naman. Sa kabila naman. And then, press Ctrl M, it will indent the paragraph. Yan. I-indent niya yung paragraph. Next naman is press Ctrl T. It is an hanging indent. Yan. Press Ctrl D, it is font options. Yan. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-click-click sa mouse. Yan. Press Ctrl bracket. It will increase selected font plus 1. Yan. Press Ctrl decrease selected font minus 1. So, press Ctrl left arrow. It will move one word to the left. Yan. Next naman is press Ctrl right. It will move one word to the right naman. Kanina left sa left arrow. Ngayon naman right sa arrow. And then press Ctrl up arrow, it will move to the beginning of the line of paragraph. Next naman is press Ctrl down arrow. It will move to the end of the paragraph. Yan, sa end of the paragraph na tayo. Next naman is press Ctrl delete. It will delete word to the right of the cursor. Yan, i-delete niya daw. Press Ctrl delete lang. And the next one is press Ctrl Backspace. It will delete word to the left of the cursor. The next one is press Ctrl End. It will move cursor to end of the document. Yan, press Ctrl End. Next is press Ctrl Home. It will move cursor to the beginning of the document. Yan. So, ang next naman natin is press Ctrl Space. It will reset highlighted text to default font. Yan. Ang next naman is press Ctrl 1. It is an single space lines. Single space line. And press Ctrl 2. It is an double space line. Next naman is press Ctrl 5 or 1.5 line. It is an line spacing. Yan. Press Ctrl Alt 1. It change text to heading 1. Change text to heading 1 daw. And press Ctrl Alt 2. It change text to heading 2. Yan. Next naman is press Ctrl Alt 3. It change text to heading 3 naman. Yan. Alam nyo na yan. Iiba-ibahin niya yung ano. And then press Ctrl F1. Yan yung gusto ng lahat. Tuwing recitation. F1. Yan daw yung help. And next naman is press Shift F3. It change case of selected text. Babaguhin niya yung mga sinelect mo na text. And then, next one naman is press Shift Insert. Yun yung paste. Yan, paste din daw. Yan. Next naman is press Shift F7. It will activate the thesaurus. I-activate niya daw yung thesaurus. Next naman is press F12. Pupunta kayo doon sa Save As. Yan. Punta doon sa Save As pag nag-press F12 kayo. And next naman is press Ctrl S. Yan. Pupunta naman kayo doon sa Save. Ayan. Next naman is press Ctrl W. It will close the document. Yun na yung pinakalas. I-close niya na yung document. Ayan. So, ang daming shortcut key sa MS Word para mas mapabilis yung gawain, mas mapagaan. Yan. So, thank you for watching. Ayan.